Hi, now let's take a moment to talk about positive reinforcement as the training tool for your dog throughout this course. What is positive reinforcement? It is simply rewarding your dog for the behavior that you want. You can reward with praise, treats, or even a toy. But what do you do when your dog does something you don't want him to do? You simply ignore it. You don't get frustrated, you don't make a big deal out of it because rewarding the behavior you want has shown that your dog is likely to repeat that behavior over and over again. So, does your dog absolutely love a specific type of treat? Is there a specific toy that your dog goes crazy over? Or is your dog a people pleaser to where verbal praise makes your dog the happiest? I do want to add that if it's a toy, to make sure it's on a rope. So when you tell your dog to release the toy, it won't fall into the paint or onto the canvas. Using a toy will make this project a bit more challenging, so I would definitely recommend trying to use a high value treat or praise first. So go ahead and pause this video at this time and find out what reward you will be using with your dog throughout this course. Welcome back. The other part of making positive reinforcement effective is to mark and reward your dog's behavior within 2 seconds of receiving the desired behavior. So let's move on to the next lecture so I can clarify this for you and show you what it looks like with Athena.